you know that your blood is like a river that keeps your whole body alive? When it flows clean and light, we feel full of energy. Our skin shines, and digestion is smooth. However, when it becomes overloaded with toxins, our body begins to suffer. Today, Nonna Tina will show you natural and simple ways to purify your blood at home. Remedies that have been used for centuries and still work today.
Ciao belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Our blood carries oxygen, food, and energy to every single cell. It is the lifeline of the body. If the blood is clean, the body works well. But if the blood is heavy, the whole system feels tired and slow. That's why keeping it clean and balanced is so important for our health, our skin, and even our vitality. When toxins build up in the blood, we may start to notice little problems: tiredness that doesn't go away, dull skin, slower digestion, or breakouts we don't understand. Over time, this can even lead to bigger health imbalances. But don't worry, nature gives us powerful allies to help cleanse and refresh our blood naturally. It's time to open Nonna Tina's Book of Secrets. Here are specific natural remedies that have been helping families for centuries and can help you too.
Burdock root.
Burdock is one of the strongest plants for deep cleansing. It helps the liver and kidneys flush out waste, and it's famous as the plant for clean skin. Make a tea with burdock root. 1 cup twice a day for 3 to 4 weeks. Or take drops of tincture as recommended on the label. Avoid during pregnancy, breastfeeding, or if you are allergic to Asteraceae.
Dandelion.
Dandelion is like sunshine in a plant. It helps bile flow, supports the liver, and improves digestion. Perfect when you feel heavy or bloated. Drink an infusion of the root once or twice a day, or take 30 drops of tincture in water before meals for 3 weeks. Avoid if you have gallstones or blocked bile ducts.
Milk thistle.
This is the true guardian of the liver. It helps regenerate liver cells and protect them from medicines, alcohol, or poor diet. Usually it is taken as capsules or dry extract standardized with silimarin. Do a cycle of 1 to 2 months. Be careful if you take blood thinners or have allergies to Asteraceae.
Nettle.
Such a humble plant, but so powerful. Nettle cleanses with its diuretic action and rebuilds the body with minerals and chlorophyll. Drink nettle tea, 2 cups per day, or a spoon of fresh juice in water. Use it for 3 to 4 weeks. Avoid if you already take diuretics or have kidney problems.
Turmeric.
The golden spice of Ayurveda. Turmeric fights silent inflammation and helps the body's detox process. Take an extract standardized to 95% curcuminoids, always with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption. Use it for 4 to 6 weeks. Avoid if you have gallstones, ulcers, or if you take anticoagulants. These plants work best when we welcome them in tune with the seasons. For example, in spring, dandelion and burdock help sweep away the heaviness of winter. In autumn, milk thistle and turmeric restore and strengthen the body for the colder days ahead. And nettle? That's your gentle reset anytime you feel the need to start fresh. Thank you for watching. You learned something new today, amici miei? If you love natural remedies, do me a favor. Smash that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to Nonna Tina Remedies so you never miss a trick. Thank you for watching. Stay well, ciao.